Timo, are you feeding the fish?
Yeah.
Stop it. Yeah. There we go. Your last one. Good job. Okay. Come on, fish.
The fish is going to eat.
Yeah.
Timo, where's your fish?
Here. Here. The fish is coming to come out. The fish is coming out. The
Is it coming up?
Mhm. I want to see.
Here.
I want to see him coming up.
Come on, fish. He's starting to eat.
He wants to come up. Is he eating?
Yeah.
Is he eating these ones?
Yeah, look at his mouth. Look.
Is he eating this one?
Yeah.
Then he come up.
Uh-huh.
Fishy, it's time to eat. Can the fish eat?
Yeah. What's the fish's name? What's his-
Leo.
His name is Leo.
Leo.
Did you call the fish Leo?
No, we need Leo to eat.
You need Leo to eat?
Yeah. Can you
There,
ask her?
look, Leo's eating. Can you see him? Look. Yeah, he's eating.
Did he like it?
He loves it.
He likes it?
Yeah. Now I want to put a sticker here that says once a month. And this is every 2 days. So today is
Wednesday.
Saturday. I'm going to write a schedule for fish feeding, okay?